Okay folks, now we're on with the next step, tissue paper. I got these dollar store packs of tissue paper, and what I want to do is do the stuff that I have definite colors for, or there's a definite color you want in a given place, like the reds for the candle and things like that. I want to do that first. When I fill in the random sections, you want to make sure you don't have like two reds together or two blues together or things like that, if possible. So you want to do the pieces you want first. So that's what we're doing now. First color I'm going to do is going to be red. And basically, I'm going to put it up in place and trace what I want in red. I'll use a little bit of tape just to make it a bit easier. Hold up there enough that I can trace it. And all I'm doing is following the basic lines of the electrical tape. Get the shape of the item I'm doing. If anything, you want to be a little bit larger, because the gaps won't show. Just taping onto the electrical tape. First piece. And depending on how much you want to make, I usually tape up the longer spans just a little bit. Every 6 inches or so is usually more than enough. Oh, you got that one? Okay, the next piece.
Moved it there.
That's okay. You just continue on. Now I want to have some shading in here. I want to have this section of the candle darker, so what I'll do is likely I'll just put another piece of paper over this side. So that's what I'll do next, and then we'll just continue on, and when we're done, now that you've seen how we do it, when we're done I'll turn you back on and show you the finished product. In the meantime, take it easy and have a good one. Hey guys, I'm not done the windows yet, but wanted to show you the effect from the nighttime perspective on what we do have done. So I'm just walking out to the street here. I got the candles done on both windows, and Amber's just finishing up the other one. So there you go. That's what it'll basically look like when it's done, or like it's at the bottom there. And as you can see, that candle's done as well. I got the candle holder is a little too round on that one. So what? So neat. So what do you think? Hope you enjoyed it. Take it easy. Have a good one. Maybe I'll get a shot a little closer up. So you can see how it looks. I have to do a little bit with the white there. I tried something different. I just ran the red across with the white in place, and I guess it washes it out, so I'll have to cut that strip of white like it is there. It shows up better. So there we have it. Stained glass windows. Total cost, I would say 1 roll of electrical tape, 1 roll of Scotch tape, and maybe 10 sheets of tissue paper, which are 25. I got 25 for $1, so I'd say 40 cents there. And the Scotch tape was 2 for $1, so there's 50 cents there. So that's 90, and then a roll of electrical tape, say $1.50. So total cost $2.50, $3 for decorating 2 windows. Looks good on the outside, and on the inside looks messy because of all the tissue paper. But good variety of colors. The longest thing is doing the papering. Probably took me 45 minutes to do the first window for the tape. Probably half an hour for this one. And I don't know what's it been on Windows, hour and a half?
Could be.
So, under $5 anyway. And I have to do a couple of changes to this one. So, anyway, Amber's been doing the filling in part, left the candle making to me, and she's doing the filling in part, which is difficult because you got to kind of have a variety of colors, but you don't want too many colors the same beside each other. There is a reason though that we put the pink up like that, and it does look good. Yeah. So there you go, a mess. $3 or $5, couple hours work, an evening I would say. Stained glass windows for the holiday season. Take it easy. Have a good one. Okay, folks, here's the daytime effect from the inside. You can see how the candle gets darker gradually, and the way I did that was just layering a couple of different pieces of paper. Starting from left to right, it's just the regular red, and then I got a little pink, a red, and a little bit of blue, just to make it a little more three-dimensional. But from a distance, it looks like a shadow, or that's what it'll look like in the daytime from the inside. Although when you do get closer to it, and at night, you will see that the paper does actually overlap the black, so it doesn't look quite the same at night, but the drapes are going to be drawn over that, so you won't really see it from the inside anyway. So let's take a look outside. See how they are. Neighbors putting some lights up. This is what it looks like in the daytime. You don't see the shading too much on the candle, but at night it'll show up because the lighting, the backlighting. So there you go. 2 windows, total of $5, so $2.50, 3x5 stained glass window. And there's the other one that's not quite done yet.